Fair enough.
Okay, starting recording now. Okay. Oh, I see. I did already. That was the main thing I was going to tell you, was that you want that method.
Yes. I think I looked into it a bit. I didn't find any exact relevant things, but I didn't spend too much time when I did.
If you click it,
Oh, by that I'm okay. So I searched for where it's used. It was hard to find where it was probably being used for these specific closures, but I think if we go in trade selection, we might be able to find it because we had a lot of obligation issues in the past when Roxanne did the PR on changing the inference variable stuff. So maybe
wait, what?
I can.
What about inference variables? Sorry.
So I didn't find when I looked for like where this is used to get an idea of basically how to create an obligation that's easy. Easily
Yeah.
create that obligation for is
Yeah. Okay.
what I was going for, but I think
Yeah, something like that.
I'm
Yeah.
not.
You can make a dummy
So
clause. The first line is this clause. You can make a dummy, or sorry, cause. You can make a dummy cause. The parameter environment, and
that's
that should be,
this
you
part.
should have that floating around somewhere. You're going to do
Okay,
this. Where are you going to run this code? You're going to.
I'm gonna. This will probably go in exactly where the migrations go.
That's what I think. And where is that?
That will be here. Second, I'm just gonna actually test this. Yeah, so it's basically the stuff that happens. That's in like type checkup or RS.
Yes. So you should have a parameter environment
Yeah,
there.
we have a parameter in run. I think all of this we have. I just found the exact. That's
And
what I
if
was
you,
saying. And maybe trade selection is where the
yeah, if you go back to the autoderef.rs, the
yes,
trait ref dot without const dot to predicate, that line.
that's
I mean,
coming from here.
yeah, this is okay. Are you saying this is basically exactly what you want?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
assuming there's a send and sync trait over here and a clone trait.
Yeah. You should be able to find all the things you need there. And then the TY is going to be the closure type. Or rather the upvar type, I guess. I don't know, one or the other.
Yeah, okay. I think that's just a hit and trial can be probably get us there.
It's going to be the upvar type because you want to go for each upvar. You want to check. You captured some subpath. You used to capture the root upvar. You want to check if the upvar implements the trait, but the subpath doesn't, right? That's what we want to check.
If the upvar implements the trait, but the subpart doesn't. Yes.
And
It's
so
going to be this.
You're going to do this twice, but with different TYs. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think the function that I have that does the, where did it go? It's the giant auction. It's not going to be hard to find. This one. I think we can just generalize this to take a function, which is conditions met versus not met sort of.
Yeah. I see. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, it looks like you have all the tools you need to do this.
Yes.
Yeah, it's probably worth copying that. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's really what it is. So that's gonna get started. I'm gonna get started on migration printing, and I think we not that much. I don't want to say next week, but I'm gonna ping people to see if we can make time
Okay.
for this.
So
Over the next weekend, kind of as close to. Go ahead.
I was just looking at the next one. So migrations, that's what we already just talked about. Some point somebody's going to start it. I forget who.
Dhruv and I are working on 2 separate parts of that. Yeah.
Great. I don't know what 36 is. That's just, is that the diagnostic work that's happening now?
This is just like, this is the diagnostic things that we were talking about last week, I think. Oh, this is, so when, okay, so whenever we this is just like the debug logs have something broken, and that had sent me on sorry,
Mhm.
a long,
Goose chase or something.
yes, and it was just like, oh, the debug log was just special case enclosure. So this one is already fixed. It's just like, it's going to be part of, it's just
Got it.
part of the diagnostic stuff
Okay. Okay.
that I know that's fine.
So those seem in hand. Adding tests. Okay, so we're doing awesome.
Yeah,
Like,
so
we're like a week or two away. This is great.
yes, yes.
Man, you guys are amazing.
Thank
Very
you.
cool.
All right. Yeah, let's just make sure there's no issue that don't have a milestone on them. I don't think there's anything specific. Yeah, okay, so yeah, you probably want to then look into compiler efficiency. And
You mean like the size of the closures?
the size of the closure and just like performance
Yeah,
related.
yeah. We'll get there. We're almost there. I think
Uh,
we kind of
go ahead.
figured out how we were going to do that in the vague sense, right? We were going to do a crater run and like scrape the
Mhm.
logs. We'll have to talk to
Yeah,
Simulacrum or something about the best way to set that up. But
yeah, probably just have a limb that just is auto enabled that gets fired if things change too much.
and that's one way, but I think a better approach would be like we could literally put a printf
Mhm.
or something like that. I think that would be ideal, where we just dump the size of before and after size of every closure, and then we scrape the
Okay,
logs from Crater so we can get statistics.
that's fair enough.
That would
Yeah,
be the best, right?
I think that would be the nicer way of not having to run creator runs with with different
Right.
values of.
Yeah, it would be better if we can get stats than getting binary triggers.
Yes.
I think we can.
Okay.
Mark seemed
I
to
think
think that
that
would
one.
work.
Okay. I think, yeah, that would be not that bad then. Okay. Sounds
Is
good.
23? Isn't 23? Oh, that's the that's a stupid thing. Never mind. Got it.
Yeah, that's also just an enhancement. It's just.
Yeah. Okay, I'm super excited. Thank you all.
All
Is
right.
there anything else?
All right. No, I think that's all. Roxanne, do you have anything?
Oh, no, nothing really.
All
Okay.
right. Thank you very much.
Thank you. See you all later.
All right.
Bye.